Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss and turmeric soap. First, gather your ingredients: a melt-and-pour soap base, about 1/4 cup of prepared sea moss gel, and 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder. You will also need a heat-safe bowl, a stirring utensil, and soap molds. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling ingredients to ensure your safety throughout the process. Begin by carefully melting 1 pound of your preferred melt-and-pour soap base. Use a double boiler or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Once melted, gently fold in about 1/4 cup of your prepared sea moss gel. Stir continuously to ensure it is fully incorporated. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, mixing until the color is consistent and there are no clumps. Now, carefully pour your warm soap mixture into your chosen molds. Fill them almost to the top, leaving a small space. Let the molds sit undisturbed at room temperature for at least 2 hours or until the soap is completely firm. Once hardened, gently pop the soaps out of their molds. For best results, allow them to cure for 24 to 48 hours before use. This wonderful sea moss and turmeric soap offers fantastic benefits, helping to soothe and brighten your skin with its natural properties. Store your finished soaps in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life. Remember to check the description below for a link to a great book about money, plus other helpful deals and resources. Enjoy your handmade, nourishing soap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.